to Solid Edge is the ability to estimate manufacturing and material costs of sheet metal parts. Solid Edge's Design for Cost provides users a visual representation of estimated costs based off of material, bends, cuts, stamps, or any other calculation necessary. In addition to on-demand updates to design changes, users can also easily create reports summarizing each of these cost-driving factors. Our initial electronics enclosure was designed with an aluminum alloy defined as the material. A new requirement has come in stating that based on usage and need for cleanliness, stainless steel must be used. Throughout our design changes, we'll use Solid Edge's new costing capabilities to keep track and ensure our costs don't exceed budget. First, we change our material to stainless steel, a more expensive material based on costs provided by our manufacturing supplier. Even though steel is pricier to manufacture, the increased strength allows us to use a thinner sheet, lessening the cost of the stock material. Additionally, as we're still a bit over budget and our new material's strength can accommodate for it, we'll remove the strengthening gussets that were previously necessary with the aluminum. With Solid Edge Design for Cost tracking impacts of our design changes, we can see that our part is now meeting the new requirements, and we're within budget. Solid Edge Design for Cost provides users with an accurate cost estimate of materials and manufacturing processes for their designs. This can be an invaluable tool, from speeding sales quotes, negotiations with manufacturing facilities, to accurately staying within budget constraints for projects. Solid Edge Costing provides users with yet another great way to keep product development on track and within budget. To learn more about Solid Edge, visit solidedge.siemens.com.